Hey guys, Proactive Production here. I've been wanting to tell you guys thank you so much for watching my videos. And another thing I'd like to tell you is that like a goal for me is that if we ever get 50 subscribers or more, I will make a video of my room tour, and I think it'd be really fun. You guys would see, you know, how I sort my Legos and how I build my candy machines. So just keep that in mind, and just tell your family and friends. Thank you guys. Bye. See you next time.